We'll move on to the second types of mutual fund, that is based on investment style. So previous slide we had a discussion regarding about based on organization style and organization structure, open-ended, close-ended, and interval fund. And this we are going to check with the actively managed funds or investment style. There are two type of passive investments. There are two type of funds are in investment style. One is actively managed funds. What it is actually actively managed funds? These are funds where the fund manager has the flexibility to choose the investment portfolio within the broad parameters of the investment objective of the scheme. Since this increases the role of the fund manager, the expenses for running the fund turn out to be higher, which mean to be nature. The full freedom is given to the fund manager to manage this particular fund based on the marketability and market conditions and the requirement in the equity market and fund market. The fund manager having a proper decision to buy and sell this particular fund very oftenly, then that particular fund is called the actively managed funds. And move on to the next one is the passive fund. By the name itself, it's a passive fund. Specifically, this fund is generated for the purpose of not for earning the too much profit, but for at least required attain the marketable profit. So what the averagely market earn the income, that same amount of income is expected from passive fund. So because of this particular objective, this fund will be always keep it investments only on the index based investment or index based securities. For example, index is nothing but the a group of funds, a group of company share are going to be marketed by stock exchanges by means of best performing. And same way, this passive fund are going to be invest its money only in the representatives of the index fund. The index are Nifty 50, S&P, BSE Sensex, and so on. So because of the reason, these passive funds are always will be the mirror of the concerned index, and it will be providing the more or less a near a good return against the investment. But sometimes the follow up or investment decision might be the getting the problem. That type of risk in passive fund is called the tracking error. Tracking error. So in this slide we have discussed about investment style based on the mutual fund investment. One is actively managed fund and the next one is to be a passive funds. These actively managed fund and the passive funds will be permitted by SEBI to distribute through whom the new type of investor, the new type of distributors, they are called by retired officers, a teacher, and so on. Nandri.